Hello friends, let's come with me in the jungle. We will see different wild animals. Let's see who is coming first. Oh, this is a lion. Lion roars. This is a tiger. Tiger also roars. This is an elephant. Elephant trumpets. Oh, this is a bear. Bear growls. This is a fox. Fox howls. This is a leopard. Leopard also roars. This is a wolf. Wolf yells. This is a cheetah. Cheetah purrs. This is a deer. Deer bleats. This is a monkey. Monkey chatters. This is a giraffe. Giraffe also bleats. This is a zebra. Zebra braids. This is a rhino. Rhino honks. Oh, this is a snake. Snake hisses. This is a rabbit. Rabbit squeaks. This is a chimpanzee. Chimpanzee hoots. Friends, that's it from wild animals. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.